Reasons why men fall in love, according to researchers. Love is an inexplicable force that turns your world upside down. It's a complicated puzzle that people have tried to figure out since the dawn of time. So, what makes a man truly falls in love with a woman? Is it her physical appearance, character, or maybe the similarities she was with him? There is certainly more than one answer to this question. So here are 4 reasons that make a man falls in love. But before we begin this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and also turn on notification so you never miss our videos. Number 1. He's charmed by her wholeness. When a man truly falls in love, he's enchanted by the whole package. Her looks, her voice, her personality, her kindness, and warm, affectionate nature. When a man meets a woman who possesses these qualities, he is instantly mesmerized by her. When men are in a serious, meaningful relationship, they're in love with their woman's entirety, not with individual parts of her. Number 2. He feels that he can make her happy. When it comes to love, we all want the same. We want someone with whom we will feel connected on a deep emotional, mental, and spiritual level. Someone who will fill our hearts with peace and make us happy. When a man is confident that he can make a woman happy, he will keep falling for her more and more with each new day. Knowing that he can contribute to her happiness makes him feel happy and fulfilled. Number 3. When she's not afraid to love and be loved. Men fall for women who are open to the idea of love. Women who are sure about what they want in a partner and who know how they behave as lovers. Women who are not afraid to show how they feel about their man and who are not ashamed to show their vulnerable sides in front of him. Number 4. When she makes him feel special. When a man feels accepted, appreciated, and loved by a woman, it's not difficult for him to deeply fall in love with her. A man falls for a woman who makes him feel cherished, emotionally fulfilled, and warm on the inside. A woman who brings out the positive sides in him and makes him feel comfortable in his own skin. A woman who fills him with the peace, happiness, and joy. A man falls in love with a woman who makes him feel special and like he's the most important person in her life. Enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and also turn on notification so you never miss our videos. Thank you so much for watching.